A wreck that killed 6 people and sent 11 others to the hospital in southwest Baltimore. And today, ABC 2 News has learned that the driver behind the wheel of that school bus had a history of seizures and had been involved in at least 12 crashes in the past 5 years. ABC 2 News' Catherine Hawley breaks down the preliminary incident report just released from the National Transportation Safety Board.
It was a violent and devastating crash. Around 6:30 a.m. on November 1st, a school bus headed to pick up Baltimore City school children rammed into the back of a car, then careened into an MTA bus carrying 13 passengers. 6 people lost their lives, including both bus drivers. A preliminary incident report released today by the National Transportation Safety Board sheds more light on exactly what happened that morning. We now know the driver of the AA Affordable Transportation school bus, 67-year-old Glenn Chappelle, had a history of hypertension, diabetes, and seizures. The report outlines how over the last 5 years, he was involved in at least 12 wrecks while he was behind the wheel of a bus or his own car, and experienced, quote, seizure-like episodes in a number of those cases. In fact, just a week before the deadly collision, investigators say Chappelle had a medical emergency at work that witnesses described as a seizure. Last month, ABC 2 News asked Chappelle's daughter about his health and if he had seizures.
The medical examiner will let us know what happened. That's what I can tell you.
The NTSB report says Chappelle did have a current medical certificate, but it was not on file with the Motor Vehicle Administration. So he wasn't legally allowed to be driving the school bus, a fact state authorities contacted him about back in September. The morning of the fatal impact, 4 surveillance cameras in the area captured video of the school bus barreling down Frederick Avenue. Based on that footage and cameras on board the MTA bus, the NTSB says Chappelle was driving almost double the posted speed limit. He rear-ended a car, hit a concrete pillar, and continued more than 800 feet down the road. The bus was still going 15 miles per hour over the speed limit when it slammed into the oncoming MTA bus. Investigators have known Chappelle didn't hit the brakes before the collision, and according to the incident report, the aide on board asked him what happened after they hit the car, but Chappelle never answered. We reached out to Chappelle's family and AA Affordable Transportation. They declined to comment on the NTSB document. City and federal investigators continue to search for answers in this case. Catherine Hawley, ABC 2 News.
Now, family members tell ABC 2 News that Chappelle had experience driving taxis and big rigs. According to the NTSB, he started working as a bus driver back in 2008 and drove for AA Affordable for the last for several years. That bus company was contracted to run 7 bus routes for Baltimore City schools, and that contract was terminated 3 weeks after the crash happened. And the school district released a statement today saying it is now working to review and tighten up the processes and practices of transporting students on contracted buses.